Hi everybody, Ed Diaz here. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to download and install version 2.0 operating system update for the Roland FANTOM. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Roland.com. So just go ahead and type in Roland.com inside your browser. And now we're going to go to where it says Products, and we're going to select Synthesizers. And from here you have three choices, being the FANTOM 8, the FANTOM 7, or the FANTOM 6. Since this operating system update is for all FANTOMs, it doesn't matter which one you choose. So I'm going to go ahead and choose FANTOM 7. Now that I'm in here, I am going to scroll down, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to go and select right here where it says Downloads. Go ahead and select that one. And now if we go ahead and we cursor a little bit, we can see the update right here, version 2.0. So I'm going to hit select to go to its page. All right, so now that we're here, we can go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and we could take a look at the update history, and now we can see all the different additional functions that have been added and different functional improvements. This is really great and something that I recommend you go through and just read through it. Now, if we scroll down further, you will see what you will need to update the FANTOM. First off, you'll need a FANTOM 6, 7, or 8, and you'll need a USB memory. And also, the USB memory needs to be formatted on a FANTOM 6, 7, or 8. What we're going to do now is we're going to get the file. Now, I want everybody to keep this page up so that way they can follow the directions with me, okay? So I'm going to cursor down right here, and I'm going to select I agree, and then I'm going to begin the download. Okay, now that we have the download and I have it inside my folder, we need to make sure that the USB thumb drive that we are using is formatted. So I have my USB thumb drive right here, and so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into my FANTOM. Okay, now that my thumb drive is inside the FANTOM, I want to make sure that it has been formatted. So I'll press the menu button, I'm going to go to Utility, and then I'm going to go to USB Memory Format. Now, before you format the USB memory, make sure there is no information on there that you do not want to get rid of, because when you format the USB memory, it will erase everything on there. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and just press OK to format. And yes, I am sure. Great, now that this has been completed, I'm going to eject my USB thumb drive from the FANTOM and plug it into my laptop. Now, before we go ahead and update the FANTOM, I want everybody to go back to the download page and take a look at the procedure. If you follow this procedure, you will have no issues at all. But make sure you go back and review. Now, let's go ahead and continue, and I will walk you through the rest of the process. Okay, so as you can see here, on this side, this is my downloads for the OS update, which I downloaded from Roland.com. And then on this side, this is my USB thumb drive that I formatted using FANTOM. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click on this zip. So to open the zip. Great, now that the zip is open, I'm going to go ahead and go inside that folder, and you're going to see there are 3 files. Do not open this bin, and just make sure you have these 3 files available. Okay, so all you need to do now is we're going to select all 3 of those files, and we're going to drag and drop them into the FANTOM thumb drive. All right, let's do that now. So make sure all 3 files are selected. If you only grab the update, it will not work. You need to have all 3 files selected. So I'm going to drag and drop right into the Roland thumb drive. Okay, so as you can see, I have all 3 files, the data, the .bin, and the update inside the FANTOM USB thumb drive. So now I'm going to go ahead and eject this USB thumb drive from my computer. So now that I have ejected the thumb drive from my computer, I'm going to go ahead and plug in that USB thumb drive back into the FANTOM. Okay, so now that the USB thumb drive is plugged into the FANTOM, we're going to press and hold the right button and power on the FANTOM. So press and hold right and power on your FANTOM. Now, as the Phantom powers up, you're going to see preparing for update come on the screen. So at this point, let go of the right button. As you can see, now that I've let go of the right button, the update process has begun. Now, this update process is a two-step process, so make sure you do not turn off your Phantom or remove the thumb drive before you are prompted on the screen. At this point, your Phantom is going to say Update Board 1 End. And now it's going to prompt you to insert memory to external board 2. So at this point, we're going to remove the USB thumb drive from our USB memory port, and we're going to move it to the external device port. Now that you've installed the USB thumb drive into the external device, you will notice the Phantom will continue to update. Now also remember, do not remove the USB thumb drive from the Phantom until you are prompted on the screen. So just stay patient and just pay attention. Now, as you can see, it says the update board 2 has ended. So at this point, we're going to power off our Phantom. And now let's restart the Phantom. So at this point, let's go ahead and confirm that 2.0 OS has been installed inside the Phantom. So first off, I'm going to press Menu, and then I'm going to cursor or touch System. And now if we use our knob, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom to Info, and we can see right there, it says 2.00 OS. So there you go. Now you can see version 2.0 OS has been installed inside your Roland Phantom. I hope this video helps you out. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you later.